Hello, this is Jeremy over here at St. Louis Powersports, and today what we're going to be doing is installing an audio roof on our turbo Maverick RR. And first, I'm going to show you how easy it is to take off your factory roof. Follow me this way. Factory roofs come with this quarter turn fastener. Comes right off, as you can see, pretty loose. There are 4 of these, which come with little spacers, as you can see, to keep it from not scratching your roof. You do 2 more on the other side, and your roof comes off. Now that we got that taken off, let's check out what's in this gigantic box down here. Complete plug and play Rockford Fosgate audio roof, Maverick X3. Works great. It's about an hour to install, and it is super loud. So come check it out at St. Louis Powersports.